So you just open up Logic Pro 12 and you've been hit with that annoying can't verify your license message. Some people saying it's because you've downloaded the Logic Pro subscription version, and then others like myself didn't. And I didn't even know that was a thing. I didn't even know that was possible, and still ran into the same problem. So what I've worked out is when I bought Logic Pro, I used a different Apple ID. So because I don't get a notification for my current Apple ID, I logged out, downloaded Logic Pro, installed it, tried to open it, and then saw the can't verify the license box. Annoying. But I managed to find a workaround and been able to fix it, and it's been running smoothly ever since. So as you can see on the Apple Store, I'm signed in my main account, my current account. So to get around this, I've gone to settings, clicked on my account, gone to media and purchases, and then signed out. This still keeps me signed into the iCloud, and all that's doing is just signing me out of the App Store. So when I look on App Store now, I'm signed out. Double click on Logic, and we should be in. There you go, works. New project, empty project, and we're good to go. So no issues. All it is at the moment, I'm just signed out of my App Store. I don't know if that's going to cause an issue down the line, further down the line, but that seems to be working for now. And if I do need to sign into App Store for anything, then I will do that. But what I want to do next, I want to get in touch with Apple and try and get my license transferred over to my main account, so I don't have to run into this issue again, which is annoying. If it works for you and it saves you some stress, hit like and tell someone about this video who might need it. Appreciate you for watching. See you in the next one.